Hey everyone! In this video, we'll look at how to landscape in Canva in just one click. So let's imagine you have a poster like this, like a design in a portrait or a square format, and you want to change it to a horizontal format. So you simply go to Resize, and you have a few sizes here, but you can click on Custom Size, and you just click in the measurements in the dimensions over here, and you see a landscape. So if you so it's 1000 by 1500, so it's a portrait format, but the moment you click landscape, it becomes 1500 by 1000. You don't need to have this, and then you can either resize this design within this file, or you can make a copy of it and resize it. So in this case, I'm just going to make a copy and resize it. And it will open up a new design, in a horizontal format. So here, and there you go. It has opened up the design in a landscape format. Of course, when you are resizing here, you don't have to choose the exact size. You can also put a custom size. And once you click here, it goes 1500 by 1000, but you can also change it to, for example, 1920 by 1080. If there are multiple designs in the same, there are multiple pages in the same design, then you also have to copy and resize, and it will ask you which ones you want to resize and which ones you want to keep. But there you go. That's the one-click way of changing a page to landscape in Canva. But remember, for this, you need the Canva Pro feature, the Canva Pro account, because this is a resize feature, which is only available in Canva Pro. If you don't have Canva Pro and you want to try it out, just check the link in the description and you can get a 30-day trial. See you in the next video.